In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can download and install DirectX 12 on your computer in just few easy steps. So there are two main ways to install DirectX 12. The first method is through Windows Update. To do this, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then select Windows Update from left hand side. Click on Check for updates. Most DirectX updates are included with official Windows updates. So as long as your system is fully up to date, you should already have the latest version of DirectX installed. To check which direct version you are currently using, open the Start menu, search for Run and open it. In the box, type DXDIAG and press Enter. Then click Yes. In the System Information window, you will see your DirectX version listed at the bottom. If it shows DirectX 12, it's already installed. If it shows DirectX 11, then you will need to install it manually. For the manual method, open the internet browser and search for DirectX Web Installer. Click on the top result from Microsoft.com, which is End User Runtime Web Installer. Scroll down and click the download button. Once the file finishes downloading, open it, accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Uncheck the box for installing the Bing bar and click Next again. Wait a few seconds while DirectX installs on your computer. When it's finished, close the installer. Finally, open Run again, type DXDIAG and press Enter. Check the DirectX version to confirm it has updated to DirectX 12.